Good morning. What's today?
Wednesday.
Wednesday
No,
the 20. It's Tuesday.
The 28th, I think.
Tuesday the 28th?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's Tuesday the 28th, and today is beach day. I actually think we're beach hopping, which is gonna be fun. But we're at breakfast right now. Jackson, that's first. So I will show you what I got. And that's yogurt. It's vanilla yogurt. And then I have Dr. Pepper, which is what you're standing up on at the moment. But, yep. So, we will see you later. Okay, so we've parked. We're walking along the side of the road, but we're at, I think it's Lanikai Beach on the North Shore. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. This is our turtle beach. We're coming to see sea turtles, which is exciting. There are also lots of waves, so I'm excited to watch people surf. Yeah. Down a little bit farther. Okay, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but I got hit by a coconut. Okay, we're on the beach, obviously. We can't really swim because it's really, the waves are really strong and there's this current. So we're just hanging out, we're waiting for sea turtles, but I got hit by a coconut and it's got a bruise. Look. Oh, well, there's water. But I got hit by a coconut and it really hurt. See, like, look, right there is where it hit. It's got a bruise, I can feel it. There's pretty ocean. And the boys found pieces of coconuts. Okay, so we've been messing around in the water for a little while. Now we're sitting and waiting to watch sea turtles. Sitting and waiting to see if we can find some sea turtles. Yeah. It just took its head up again. Okay, we're back in the car. We saw some turtles. We saw more than I got on video because it's kind of hard to video, but that's where we're going. We're headed to a different beach to where now we can go swim. And yeah. Okay, so we stopped on the side of the road. There's a bunch of like food trucks and stuff. And so we stopped for lunch. And I'm glad to say that I've never had one before. I am excited. So let's try it.
We're gonna need napkins.
There are lots of chickens around here, and it's really scary and really upsetting. I don't do chickens. I don't do chickens. Alright, we're back on the road after lunch, headed to the previous mentioned place. So, yeah. Okay, we've made it to the beach, and we're just gonna hang out, like, do whatever. I don't know. The beach. Okay, we decided to go to a different beach, because there were lots of rocks on the bottom, and it was just not comfortable, and the boys were not having it, so we're going somewhere else. Okay, we're at our last beach of the day. What is this, number 3? 3? Yep. boys are already getting in. Okay, we are back at the hotel. We are ordering pizza and we're taking showers because we all feel really gross because there's sand and swimming and playing around all day. Yep. I finished my book that I was reading and I cried like 3 times, but enjoyed it. So, yeah, I don't know.